right, everyone. We are playing Lightning Link, Tiki Fire, Major 5,200, Grand 116,000. Let's get rowdy. We're gonna just do $25 bets. See if we get something to happen. All right, we'll jack it up to $50 spins here next. That mini's at 100, minor's at 500, major 52, 58, grand's just over 116,000. Be nice to us. Three of the volcanoes get us to the free spins, where I think you can get some awesome multipliers in this game. $500 number. There's the 1,000. Come on! It's 2,500 bucks right there. Put a little bit more into this one. Okay, guys, hold on. I'm getting paid for one I just hit a little while ago. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
All right, guys. Put a ticket in here. Not really getting close at anything here. 12,500. $1,250 ball just popped out. Three more. Not today. No, 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 no. $50 to spin. The $1,000 ball. Five again, but at the end, so it doesn't create a lot of anxiety or excitement. All right, guys, $50 to spin at $1 denom. Come on, we just missed it again. Two volcanoes once again. Two again. Try $100 to spin. Guys, we're gonna try some 150. $2.50 a spin. Three of them. One more, come on. Just missed it again. Ooh, I thought we got it. We didn't. All right, let's put another 2,000. $100 a spin. All right, back to the 10-cent denom. Give us something. Big numbers again. Come on, be nice. Close every single time. $80. Come on, volcanoes. Show us what that bonus game is all about. We want to get some free spins. Got the lucky chance, as we should have. We had $42 in there. No, 4 again. Let's put another 1,000 in. See if we can salvage this session. Some of these just don't want to go in there. All right, more $50 spins, 10-cent denom. All right, not so bad, 205. $125. One sec. Back at it. Three more, not today. right, 425. That's a pretty good line hit. Missed the 1,000 again. Oh, thank you. Again, guys, do it. All right, we got the free spins at $50. About time, 11 minutes into this session. We want the multipliers anywhere. You can get a lot. All right, here we go. Got an $800 line hit, so this should be a hand pay here. 1,020. Let's see. Yeah, nothing going more than 3 of a kind there. Two more. Come on. Last game, guys. Oh, we got a re-trigger. All right, we'll take that. 6 more free games. Little itty-bitty line hit there. Well, we'll take that re-trigger. We want to get a lot of 2X's. Or the fireballs. Oh, we need some more. Come on. Three more. You're going to block us. Give it to us. 2 more games, guys. What is that paying? Let me see here. I'm going to wait and see. Oh, that's 800 for 1, 2 lines. So we got any other $800 lines. Hold on. Got a $400 line. So 3,820. Here's our last spin, unless you're going to give it to us again. Just missed it. All right. $4,000 on the nuts. Guys, 12 minutes, 53 seconds in. We're going to call that a session. We got another hand pay. Doesn't quite bring us back out of the hole, but it's nice to start to climb out of it. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you.